deep within the ancient rainforests of Sabah, Malaysia, Borneo, a sanctuary stirs with life. This is Utan Rainforest Lodge. As golden light spills through the trees, the call of the Bornean ground cuckoo echoes through the undergrowth. And with quiet grace, the elusive leopard cat disappears into the morning mist. Begin your day with a serene river cruise gliding past tangled roots and swaying palms, as the flying foxes stretch their wings across the morning sky. This is the forest as few have ever seen it. Venture deeper on a jungle safari. Daylight revealing nature's wild secrets at every turn. Into the forest on foot, beneath towering kapur trees that stretch to the sky. As the light fades, the jungle transforms. By nightfall, a different rhythm takes hold. Eyes glow in the shadows. The hush of hidden wildlife pulses in the dark. Return to comfort. Unwind in a deluxe room or a villa with your own private pool. Dine under the canopy, or cool off in the public pool as the jungle hums around you. Here at Utan Rainforest Lodge, every moment is a brush with the wild. Every experience, a step into wonder. Come for the adventure. Stay for the stories. Leave with magical memories.